So I just want to show you how to customize these menus up here, this up here. So these menus, when you want to customize them, you come to site administration, then under appearance, then there's usually this option of advanced HTML, additional HTML, this one. Actually, ideally, you can be able to add additional HTML code to the theme to make it look better. But you can also search for it. It's usually called custom menu. It's called the custom menu. That is it. I usually like to search so that I can get it. So this is the custom menu items. You seeing them? So these are the custom menu items. You see the ones that are there, the ones that I added, student orientation. You see this? This one, student orientation. It's a menu, and then because it has sub menus, see the sub menu: student handbook, online assessment handbook, and semester calendar. So for the additional, let me just make it bigger. So for this student orientation menu, these are the sub menus: orientation. Then you see how we usually put it. If it is a sub menu, you put like a hyphen. You see the hyphen, orientation to digital learning. Then I put the pipe. See the pipe here, this, and then I put the link to which it will link to. Yeah, so the student handbook, I haven't put a hyperlink yet. So we'll create a page which has or you can get the link to the student handbook on the website and paste it there. The online assessment handbook, this is it, the online assessment handbook, and this is the URL to it. Yeah, and then the semester calendar, then the pipe, and then you haven't pasted the URL yet. Then the next menu item is digital library, and these are the sub menu: Google online public access, then the pipe, then you put the URL. So you do this for all the menu items that you want to add. So if you have menu item and the sub menus, that's how you do it. Now once you have done that, always make sure that you save changes. So that is how you populate these menu items up here. These menu items, yeah, and the sub menu. Now, there's something else we have done on your site. So let me just go back home. Maybe I can reduce the size. Okay. So if there are some menu items that are links to other sites out there. Some of them are pages or they are spaces. Like for example, for the student orientation, digital learning, this is a link to a course. It is a course within. So if it is a course within, you open the course and you copy this URL up here and paste it on the custom menu items. But in other instances, it can be an external link. Like for example, the Google Public Access Library. You see, it is leading us to the opac.gu.ac.ug. So you can link to an external site, you can link to an internal page or an internal course or an internal link. But there's another one, like for example, the help desk, this technical help desk, this is a HTML page which I have created and added to the site. And how you create the HTML pages, you come to site administration, then you scroll down, there's this, it's called static pages. Are you seeing static pages down here? So I can view list of static pages. Okay, let me just go back again, site administration. Under static pages, I can see the documents. So these are HTML files you create with the HTML editor, and then you upload it. Right? Okay, like for example, this oer.html. So it's a HTML file. So I just created a HTML file and uploaded it here. So I want us to do an example so that we can see how it looks like. So I'm going to use a notepad. I usually use this to create my HTML pages. Okay, so I'm just going to create a simple HTML page. So the header, the top section, closing the tags, HTML. And then I can do the body. Usually it's the body, right? Body. Close the body. Then I can put a simple text, which is a paragraph, which is hello Gulu. Okay, let me keep it hello Gulu. Okay, so you just create your simple page. You know, this like the pages which will have the rules and guidelines, some additional information like the technical support, contact information, and guidelines. So you save it as a HTML file. So I'm going to save it as a HTML file. So it's HTML. It's HTML. So I'm going to call it. It has to, when you're saving it, it doesn't like the name should not have spaces. So it's just a hello Gulu. So the name should not have spaces, the name of the HTML file, so that it doesn't generate an error. So I'll just call hello Gulu like that, then save the HTML file. Okay. So what happens if I go back to the LMS, I upload it here. So I'm just going to upload the HTML file. So I come to upload file, choose file, then I pick, go to the, I saved it under downloads. Here, hello Gulu. So I upload the HTML file and I save changes. So I have saved the file and you realize it is now listed among my HTML file. So the next thing I need to link it to the menu up there. So I just come back to site administration. Then I come to list of static pages. Okay, and you see, if you look, these are the static pages and it's even showing available. So here, you see, from the document, hello Gulu. So this is the URL. It automatically generates the URL. So this is the hello Gulu. So I'll copy this. Then I'll go back to my site administration, search for my custom menu, right? Then and then I paste that to the menu item. For example, if it is semester calendar, so I can just paste it there after the pipe, right? So that it's when you click on semester calendar, it loads that HTML page, and then I save changes. So there. So now if I go now to where did I put it? Under semester calendar. So if I click semester calendar, it loads. So now these menu items, you can actually develop HTML pages with certain targeted information and you link it to the menu up there. So what I would like you to do as your take home, you see this technical help desk. Once you have agreed on the information that needs to come out and put here, you can create the HTML page and link it there. Then there's the academic help desk. You can sit down with Dr. Aduma and the ODEL team. They'll tell you the academic instructions. You can post it there. Then now it comes also, you remember the issue about student onboarding and all that. You can actually create a page which has the information and put it as a link, including even the staff launch. There could be some information, maybe an announcement, maybe some instructions, maybe some guidelines. You can actually include them under the staff launch. Yeah. Right? Like for example, when we'll be having a schedule of trainings for the capacity building for lecturers in the oncoming day. So you can actually create a HTML page which has the schedules, which has even the program and put it here. So the staff can actually be duly and informed. Then you can add a menu item here, like schedules, set a capacity building. So that, so you can be creative. You can actually add a lot of menu items up here on your menu. Yeah, and you've seen how it's done. It's very simple, isn't it?